Good evening. It is October 19th at around 8 p.m. Give a quick update into the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other altcoins. As you can see, Bitcoin is just about to hit all-time highs. All-time highs is this dotted red line at $64,863. And Bitcoin is currently at 64,000 over 300, bouncing around 300. So, and as you can see, it's been moving right along this arrow that I've had out there for a few days. And it's going to hit. I mean, everything is pointing to it hitting. It hit in the next few minutes. But I would think certainly overnight, probably wake up and it will have at least hit all-time highs. Today, let me flip to the fear and greed. It's now in extreme greed and not not super high in extreme greed, but it's higher than it's been in quite a while. So that is actually a little bit bearish for Bitcoin. Go to the buying order books. You'll see nowhere near as bad as it was. Ledge that it used to have up to about all-time highs, it's pretty much gone. And now it's very even. So really once it breaks above all-time highs at 65,000, it could go, and it could really run, because right now it's about balanced. Let's flip back to the Bitcoin chart. Again, I believe it's going to hit very, very shortly. Ethereum. I actually did take a position in Ethereum right about here, and currently in good money on that. I believed it would go up. It's a risky trade, so I didn't post it because I don't really recommend it. It doesn't actually follow my strategy. It's more of a what's called a scalp, really just to get in, get out. This is just a couple of hour trade and it's already doing well. I'm deciding whether or not, before I go to bed tonight, whether or not I'm going to close out of it or just set a stop loss and go to bed and let it run, which is probably what I will do, because Bitcoin has already run like crazy over the last day. It has outperformed every other coin by far, and you can actually see that if you flip over to the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. You see it has been going down. That's because Bitcoin has been going up much faster than Ethereum or anything else. Here's the Bitcoin dominance chart, which basically just shows Bitcoin has been gaining over all the other coins. Back to Bitcoin. And right now, I mean, it's highly likely it's going to hit all-time highs. There, as you've seen before, my next price target is 75,000 based on a couple of things. First, the Fibonacci retracement, that's the 1.27 level, is right at about 75,000. And second, the price target for this huge cup and handle pattern is right about at the same level. So if you put this here, see that's coming in at about 74,000. So, and we're more than halfway there right now. So that's why that's my next price target. If you got into Bitcoin when I suggested it right here on September 30th, when the price of Bitcoin was 43,150, I think it was, when I published it. So if you got in around 43,000 or so, currently you would be at right at about 50% on your money. So hopefully you did that and you are loving life. Invested 10,000, you got 15,000 in your account. If you invested 100, at 150. Good for you. Hopefully you did it. Right now, each of these were extreme greed periods, and you see each time there was a slight, even though minor, correction in price. And right now, we are actually doing the same thing. Technically, we're in, copy this so I can put it up there. Currently in the same thing. So I would expect a little bit of bearish price action in the immediate term. Then again, it's going to go and hit all-time highs. Who knows where it'll run from there. But at least in the immediate short term, would not be surprising to see a little bit of bearish price action before it continued up to all-time highs. And as you can see, as the new day has started, it's already started to correct just a little bit. Flipping to Ethereum. Ethereum looks like it's about to break above this line resistance right here, forming and finishing this cup and handle pattern, which would, once it breaks above that, again, you're at 4,400, and you're looking at 6,200, as I've mentioned multiple before. Link, not doing anything. Most of the other coins are not doing anything, really. Most everybody, I believe, at this point is waiting to see what Bitcoin does. So you'll see a lot of sideways action. These coins, here's Dogecoin, same thing, sideways. Cardano, lots of sideways action, nothing happening there. Solana, same exact thing. Litecoin, again, not much going on here. It is more of an uptrend, but you can see it's right now it's finding resistance at the 50-day moving average. SNX got a triple bottom happening right here. So over the next few days, could be seeing it bounce and really heading positive if it follows this triple bottom up. REN, long-term uptrend, short-term, slightly bearish to sideways action. Pretty much everything, waiting to see what's going on. That's all I have for tonight. If this helps you out, if you want to get these the second they come out, you have to subscribe with notifications on. Thanks a lot and have a great night.